I'm not threatening you. Say one more word, and that's 30 days. 30 days.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame with your man TP. Today we are stepping into compilation number 257. For this compilation, we will be in 4 different judges' courtrooms. As always, before I give you their names, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You guys have been doing amazing with that. YouTube has been sharing the videos a lot more, so thank you for all that you've been doing, the prayers, your concerns, all of that. I just want to say thank you to you guys. For those of you that I have not been able to get back to in the comments. Now, we're going to be in 4 judges' courtrooms. The first judge courtroom we will be in is Judge Ryan Hess out of the state of Colorado. Second, we will be in the courtroom of Judge Chad Crum out of the state of Kansas. Third, we will be in the courtroom of Judge Sherri Gryboski out of the state of Colorado. And last but not least, we will be in the courtroom of Judge Simpson out of the state of Michigan. Once again, guys, it is a pleasure to host these compilations for you. And now let's get into 257.
And who else is back there?
Representative for, yeah.
Okay, unless you're an attorney, do you have a bar number? Okay, she can't have somebody else appear on her behalf unless it's an attorney.
Okay, I'm here for, I'm not as the all caps name, but I'm here for this matter and regarding this matter.
Is your name Tanya?
I am the sole living being, Tanya Beaver.
We're not going to play.
An entity.
We're not going to do this.
Okay,
You're
well-
either, okay, let me finish talking. I'm going to finish talking. You're not going to talk over the top of me.
Okay,
You're either going to appear as Tanya Beaver and be here in person, or I'll issue a warrant for the person that is Tanya Beaver.
yes, she is here in person.
Okay, then sit down and we'll have a talk. Were you here for the general advisement?
No,
All right, we'll bring your case back on June 29th at 8:30. And I'm just going to let you know, it's not going to work to come up and try to appear as somebody that you're not.
9:30.
Yes,
Thank you.
at 8:30.
See you then.
Good afternoon. Your name, sir?
David Walker.
Your Honor, it looks like he has 2 files.
I see that. All right, we'll next take up 2 cases, both entitled State of Kansas versus David Wayne Walker, 22 CR 398 and 22 CR 508. All right, we'll first take up 22 CR 508. This is my case, Mr. Walker. You failed to appear in front of me on July 17th for your preliminary hearing control docket. Where were you that day?
It's safe for sure, sir.
Okay, well, I issued a bench warrant bond forfeiture and set a new bond in the amount of $10,000 cash or surety. Are you still representing yourself?
Yes, sir.
You want to continue representing yourself?
Look at me. I'm not looking at you. I'm looking at the paper. Yes, sir. Don't have any money to.
Pardon?
Yes, I guess I'll represent myself.
Okay, you understand that if you can't afford to hire an attorney, one would be appointed for you.
I don't know what he would do for me.
Okay, well, he could provide you legal advice and perhaps advance any defenses you may have had, but if you want to represent yourself, you have that right. I just want to make sure you understand that if you can't afford an attorney and would like to have one represented you, I would appoint one for you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you wish to continue representing yourself?
Yes, sir.
The docket notes don't reflect if a waiver of counsel was ever signed. Do you have any notes that would reflect that he's waived counsel on the record or otherwise, Ms. Norris?
Your Honor, I just note that on December 30th of 2022, defendant stated that he would hire his own counsel. And then he had a failure to appear. And on May 5th, we did not appoint any counsel. I don't show an actual waiver. And the notes don't reflect that he did a waiver on the record. It just says that he would hire his own attorney.
Okay, well,
Okay.
Mr. Walker, you've indicated here on the record that you wish to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself. So I'm going to have you, if the jail has one, sign a waiver of counsel. Do you have a form?
I believe so.
All right, can you read through that? Make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me.
There's
Yeah.
no defendant in the, I'm the defendant in the case. Am I the defendant in the case? There's no victim. There's no victim to my crime, correct? The crime that I'm accused of, there is no victim in the crime.
The state of Kansas, you have drug charges, possession of methamphetamine, possession of paraphernalia, and driving while suspended are your 3 charges.
Yeah, but no victim, correct? No victim in the crime? No victim?
I'm not sure I understand your question and what that has to do with your waiver of counsel.
Well, I'm the defendant. There must be someone making a claim
The state of Kansas is making the charges against you, Mr. Walker.
the state of Kansas is the victim.
The state of Kansas charged you with these crimes. Do you wish to represent yourself or do you wish to have an attorney representing you?
I will represent myself.
You've got a waiver of counsel in front of you, correct?
Yes, I suppose so. Why do I need to sign? Why do I need to sign it? Why do I need to sign this?
Because I like to have it documented in the file that you understand that you have a right to have an attorney representing you. And that if you can't afford to hire one would be appointed for you. And you understand that, and knowing those rights, you wish to represent yourself. That just documents that for the court file.
What I don't understand is why there is charges against me when there is no victim.
All right, Mr. Walker, I'm not going to play this game this afternoon. I'm going to set this case
Why are we playing a game?
in front of me on
I'm asking questions. I'm really asking questions.
October.
Trying to understand.
Mr. Walker, your case is being set on October 10th at 2:30 in front of myself. And that will be done by Zoom. That's the felony preliminary hearing control docket, October 10th at 2:30.
Your Honor.
You've got a $10,000 cash or surety bond on that case.
Yeah. I was wondering if I wouldn't be able to have access to certain legal things to be able to put my case up.
I believe they've got a law library there at the jail. I'm
Oh,
not
they-
sure what kind of access they provide to you, but you can consult with somebody there at the jail.
Okay.
All right, I'm now going to take up 22 CR 398. This is Judge Webster's case. Looks like you failed to appear in front of her on July 31st. She set a new bond for $6,000 cash or surety. You've already had a first appearance, so I'm going to set this in front of Judge Webster on October 30th at 9 o'clock in the morning. That will be by Zoom, October 30th at 9 o'clock in the morning. So again, your bond is 6,000 cash or surety. Anything else on this case, Ms. Norris?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Your Honor, was the time for court on October 10th for 22 CR 508, was that 2:30?
That's correct.
Just clarifying. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll be in recess. Mr. Walker, you are excused. Thank you.
2026 CR 2652. And it's present in custody with Mr. Kelly. Ms. Preblick for the people are here on an out-of-state warrant. It looks like, Mr. Kelly.
It should not be.
Mr. Nicola, why don't you let me just speak? We don't want to.
Well, I would like to represent myself to speak
You are welcome to ask to.
to the judge.
Completely. That's
Okay,
fine.
So,
Hearing.
Ms.
This is not a lawful hearing.
I'm issued for you out of Santa Barbara County, California for a probation violation.
Thank you.
And you have the right to counsel to challenge the legality of your arrest. And I see Mr. Kelly is standing there. There are two ways to resolve this matter.
I'd like to challenge the legality of the unlawful arrest.
She's got to go through
Make
this.
sure you understand what's going on, so let me get through it.
I understand completely.
Ms. Nicole, I'm required to explain it to you. And when I'm finished, then you can, and Mr. Kelly can tell me what you want to do. You can request a governor's warrant. This process can take up to 95 days.
No, I just was extradited,
Nicola.
ma'am. I was just extradited from California a month ago, 2 months
Mr.
ago,
Nicola, this is not.
from California to Colorado. No, I will not be doing that.
Ms. Nicola, I am going to.
I would like to leave the courtroom.
Ms. Nicola, I do need to
No,
advise.
I'm
you
not calm.
regarding
I'm not calm
the
enough to
warrant.
be in this courtroom.
I need to advise you.
No, I will not be
regarding the
advised by an idiot.
warrant. Can go ahead and remove.
Give me 2 seconds, Mr. Gill. I was just
Okay.
with Miss Nicola.
All right.
People versus Dwight Miller.
Ashley Lottie for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Miller, who approaches your. Mr. Miller, can you please state your name for the record?
Dwight Miller. Thank you.
And Your Honor, my belief is that my client does want to set this for preliminary examination. However, I am uncertain. He and I have had some conversations, and frankly, I believe he wants to make some statements to the court. I advise him against it, but at this point, I think he wants to talk.
So we're understanding this is a criminal matter, right?
It is.
Okay, so basically, man, it stemmed from a falsality. All this whole thing, I was falsely arrested, something I never did. I got a sworn affidavit.
Sir, I'm sure your counsel has advised you. I'm going to advise you to not say anything else about the subject matter of the case.
Okay.
If you'd like it set for preliminary examination.
I want to challenge jurisdiction.
You want to challenge jurisdiction?
Yes.
Of whom?
Y'all have a jurisdiction of a case that doesn't exist against me.
On what grounds?
What crime did I commit?
Pardon?
What crime did I commit?
Allege that you committed the crime.
I didn't
of
commit that crime.
resisting. If you want to interrupt me, I'll answer your question. But if you want to keep interrupting me, I'm not going to play that way. I'll answer your question. You're accused of the crime of attempted resist, or not attempted, but resisting and obstructing a police officer.
So we all aware that this never transpired, right?
I am not aware of that.
Okay.
Is that all you have to say?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So, Your Honor, I would ask Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller, I'm not submitting frivolous motions.
Can I get my affidavit put in on the record, please?
What affidavit?
My affidavit of the incident that transpired.
Your affidavit of what?
of the facts in the case? My statement of what happened, can I get it on the record?
There will be an opportunity if you so choose, if this goes to a further proceeding, for you to put whatever evidence you want into the court. But this is not the time to do that.
Really? So when is the time to put the evidence in there?
If you want it set for a preliminary examination, you'll have that opportunity. And if it proceeds to trial, you'll also have that opportunity.
So once again, I'll ask, do you want to set this for preliminary examination, Mr. Miller?
Sure.
Thank you.
Not really.
See, do you want to set it for prelim or do you want an adjournment?
Preliminary examination.
Thank you.
To your knowledge, all discoveries.
To my knowledge, yes, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 24th.
Yes.
We could try for that date, Your Honor. If possible, I might ask to go no, let's do that date. Thank you.
All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set June 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Washington.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You want to get this camera? They will have it ready to go. I will make sure of it.
Downstairs.
From downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Court does call the case People versus Dwight Miller.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Miller, Your Honor.
He's still muted.
I believe he is orange pants, white shirt, Judge.
I got it.
Oh, I was just happy I could read it.
Thank you for pointing that out. I figured out where he was. Oh, there he is. Mr. Miller, can you state your name, please?
He may be muted, Judge.
No, he's not muted.
Oh.
Sir, can you state your name?
On and for the record. My name is Dwight Miller. I'm American State National. I'm here to challenge jurisdiction. I'm here on special appearance to establish jurisdiction, bro.
Who we approach, Your Honor?
Your Honor, I need to challenge jurisdiction.
Okay, how are you intending on doing that?
Well, Your Honor, can you show me your how I'm supposed to do this? See, it's certain things I can't remember because y'all got me in here and I don't have access to the law books. But it's okay.
There are certain things you want me to show
your
you?
delegation of power, sir?
Pardon?
Can you show me your delegation of power and your oath of
My
office?
delegation of power.
Yeah,
It came from the people of Washtenaw County that elected me. I have a certification of election in back. You want it?
Mr. Miller, that's your
I would like
attorney.
a copy of your surety bond, please, and your oath of office.
My surety bond. I don't
Yes.
have one. I'm insured by the county.
So you don't have one?
And state.
Okay. You don't have a surety bond, huh? So what's your oath? You
Mr.
do
Miller,
have
I'd
an
advise
oath.
not to.
You swear oath to the Constitution, right? Yes or no?
I'd advise you not to continue this line.
Man, I'm in here. I done got victimized this morning. Are you serious? Can I get a breakout room with my attorney or my so-called attorney?
So-called attorney? No, he's a very good attorney, and he's not a so-called attorney, and you'll not refer to him that way because as you won't be disrespected, neither will he.
Okay, may I speak with the attorney in a breakout
You can
room?
do that on your own time. He doesn't get a breakout room here because he's live in the courtroom.
Okay. So
what are we doing with his case now that my jurisdiction has been established?
okay, I'm putting the motion in for dismissal because ain't no so-called witness or victim to sign a sworn affidavit against me.
Please approach, Your Honor.
And not end this? Yeah. Oh. Of course, yes, you may.
So how's y'all having a conversation without me being there?
Okay, we're back on the record in the Dwight Miller case. What I'm going to do, Counsel, you're requesting an adjournment in this matter.
I am, Your Honor. Upon information, believe there may be a new case coming. I understand Mr. Miller booked into the
Your
jail
Honor.
at 10 o'clock this morning.
Your Honor.
So I'm asking one
I
to
object.
evaluate.
I object anything she talking about. First and foremost, how is you testifying?
That what?
First and foremost, Your Honor, I want this charge dismissed, man. At no time given, the lady lied.
I know, I heard your motion to dismiss.
Okay,
I denied
listen.
it already.
Listen, Your Honor, under the Constitution, what is it exactly? The maximums of law. If something comes from a falsehood, what is that? The first words out this woman's mouth, she lied. She made a story up. Talking about somebody
Okay,
pulled
this woman is an
nobody pulled no
assistant
weapon at her because
prosecutor.
nobody had
first of
no
all.
weapon.
I believe he's speaking of the complaining witness, but
Oh, the complaining witness. Oh,
But-
not Ms.
but Mr. Miller, I would advise you not to say anything more. Given the circumstances, it may be prudent to discuss this matter further and to see there's a couple other things pending, as well as a potential new charge they're indicating. This might be something we want to set over for a week.
No. I'm not worried about no new lies. Look at me. I got beat up this morning, bro. I called Pittsfield police 13 times. I was getting assaulted with motherfucking tasers and shit.
Okay.
I put it on the record. Then all of a sudden they want to switch it up to make it seem like I'm threatening somebody. I ain't threatening no one.
Okay, but we can't resolve
I
all
never
that today.
threatened no one. The same people that's making these statements, they all three on felony probation. They done got caught. Their house just got
so we
raided.
can't resolve
And then they
that
up here
today.
playing line up on me.
Okay, so look, we can't resolve that today. And I think the best thing to, so that everybody can try to figure out what's going on, is I'm going to adjourn it out a week. Rather than 2 weeks. I'll try to expedite it. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of it all. So,
Your
probable cause conference.
Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to November 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
And I should correct my statement, Your Honor, that mag thing we saw, we discussed at the event, I think it's just the court it's going to. I don't know that it's revolving the court. Okay.
Thank you.
So I just got railroaded, huh?
No, that's not railroaded.
Yeah,
I'll let you know when
because
that
I'm not consenting to none of this. The lady,
Yeah, cut him. I'm done. I'm so done. Is he gone?
Yes.
I feel a cold coming on for this 6th. It was like a hairball. I don't know. Court calls case People versus Dwight Miller.
Yeah, Mr. Miller, it's my understanding, Mr. Miller is, Mr. Miller, I don't know what you're showing us, but what, would you state your name for the record?
American State National. All my rights have been violated. They can't
Did you
produce a
state your
weapon.
name first?
American State National, man. Your
Okay.
Honor, I've been asking for the whole time, man. There ain't no firearm. There never was a firearm. I was kidnapped. My rights was violated. The lady lied on the scene. She said she called the police, said somebody pointed a firearm at her. Then
Sir?
when the police came on the scene,
Sir?
she made that
Sir?
statement again. And then it was proven, the
Sir?
cameras proved none of that happened.
Sir, if you want to try to overtalk me, you can. It's not going to work.
Dwight,
It's not the time for you to try to litigate your case.
Where's the
Dwight,
firearm?
Dwight, just listen. I was just appointed yesterday. Mr. Gaddy gave me the discovery this morning. Why don't we ask for a 2-week adjournment and you and I can talk?
Where's the firearm? Where's the so-called person that's the victim that signed the sworn
Any
affidavit?
objection from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned
I object.
to
I object. I
November
object.
20th.
I object. I object. I don't get
Objections
consent.
noted and denied.
You violate my
November 20th,
constitutional rights.
2025, 9
I ain't about to
a.m.
write you up. I'm about to send up
Bond
in
will
judicial
continue.
review.
And you know what? So
I'm about
let's
to
do
send
it this
judicial
way.
review.
That hearing will be in person. So if you got
my
something to
back
say, you
messed
can
up.
come right here and say
My
in person.
back messed
Thank
up.
you.
You know that.
Mute him.
You know my back messed up.
You're welcome. Court does call the case of the people versus Jawante McFarland.
Good morning, Rob Chico on behalf of Mr. Farland. Judge, may we approach?
You are just having a bad day, aren't you? You are.
It's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse. Judge Slade, can we approach very briefly?
Court does call the case, people versus Dwight Miller.
For the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rob J. Kilwald calling outside Judge Slade's courtroom. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dwight, would you state your name for the record?
I'm American State National. I'm appearing sui juris. You is not my attorney. That's not working for me. We got a whole issue. All my constitutional rights have been violated. I want it on the record. I was arrested by a lie. I want it on the record.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to stop this. I directed this defendant to be in this courthouse in person.
I got a bad back, sir.
And he is not here in person.
Sir, I
am not going to sit here and listen to him ramble on and on about everything.
Oh, really?
I don't
So you
mind
gonna
hearing
violate
from
my
people, but I
constitutional
tell
rights?
you, if you're
You
going to
gonna
say
violate
it
my
all, you're
constitutional
going to
rights?
say it to my face. Bench
You gonna
warrant will
violate
issue
my
for defendant's
constitutional
failure
rights?
to appear. No
I
bond.
am here.
We'll get him
I can't-
here.
I got a
Thank
medical
you.
issue.
You
So
can
you gonna
mute
violate
him.
my
Thank you, Mr. Kilowog.
Okay, Judge. Thank you. Judge, if I may say, he does have some medical issues. That being said, all I wanted to do was set it for exam.
Well, when he gets here and graces our doorstep, I'll be more than happy to set it.
All right, I'll bring my constitutional book. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr.
Bye.
Kilowog. Court does call the case, people versus Gary Coward.
Good afternoon,
I
Your
know
Honor.
this. Hey, Simpson, I'm coming to see you, bro. You violated my constitutional rights. I am coming to see you, bro.
Hey, I hope you are not making a threat against me, because that's going to cause you a whole bunch of other problems. Get that number. Yeah, I bet you it did log out. Get that number. It will have the full number. We'll go find him. Get the detective bureau on that, please. All right, let's go. You don't want to come up here now, do you? I know. He's just standing there like, man, I just call my name. I'm just up
Do you
here.
want me to contact the detective bureau for you?
Pardon?
Do you want me to reach out to the DB?
I think he is.
Okay. Got it.
Your name, sir?
Gary Coward.
And who's representing Mr. Coward? Mr. Burgess?
I am. Sorry, Your Honor. Good morning. Good afternoon. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Gary Coward. I'm appearing via Zoom, Judge, because it seems a little scary in your courtroom today. So.
Wow. I'm calm.
My client is present, Your Honor. He's raising no constitutional issues, and he is a citizen of the United States.
Thank you.
I'm done, Your Honor. Sorry.
All right. No, you're not. You are just getting started. What are we
Good point.
doing on this case?
Judge, we're still trying to, Mr. Bandis and I were still trying to resolve the matter at the district court level. So I'm still discussing it with him. We're just asking for a couple weeks adjournment of the PCC.
Will the 11th work for you? I think you're here anyway on the 11th. I think I've said
I think
some
so.
things for you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Will that work for you?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Appear Zoom, please?
Pardon?
Can I appear Zoom at all?
That hasn't worked out for people today. No.
He's messing with you.
If you submit talk to your attorney, there's paperwork that needs to be submitted before that can be approved.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
December 11th, 2025, 9 a.m.
All right, thank you.
Bond will continue. Thank you, Mr. Coward. Appreciate your patience, sir. I'm not threatening you. Say one more word and that's 30 days. 30 days.